Welcome back to TechKidFX for another AGIX price prediction updates, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the AGIX chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also lost a key significant high at around the $0.5 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, which lies between the $0.35939 mark and the $0.28341 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.28574 mark. And having managed to get into that minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, there are chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we saw this massive run up to the upper side from our lower low down here, where we saw this 1-2 set up to the upper side. Then we started this Elliot wave structure, having that as the first wave, giving us a peak at around the $0.67 mark, and after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and that's the reason as to why I'm saying that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.326 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And this Elliot wave structure that I have right here, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out on the AGIX chart, and that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 at around the $0.286 mark, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that as the first wave, giving us a peak at around the $0.56542 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, which fully maximized its minimum target areas. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation, and I believe that is what is playing out over here, and this is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where we have peaked in the formation of that wave 1, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum, which is a target area that lies between the $0.50337 mark and the $0.45184 mark, and it is within this blue target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave to the lower side. And once we fully maximize our target area and also continue holding within this blue target area, then I'll be expecting a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 to fully maximize our target areas. And since we have managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, there are also high chances that we have seen the low for this second wave, and soon we are going to start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. But for now, it's too early for me to say that we have seen the low for that second wave, because you can see at the time of this recording the breakdown is still continuing, and there are chances of fully maximizing our blue target area before we can start our reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. We need to continue watching the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, because we need to continue holding within it for us to still say that whatever we are seeing here on the AGX chart is a retracement in the formation of this wave 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in case the breakdown continues. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting that lower prices are still coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.